Okay, so grade 10. Esibhizi ngako today is senza question paper yango March. So this is question paper yango March 2018 physics paper 1. Yabo? So mekuthiwa physics paper 1 baqonda ukuthini? Physical sciences ihlukene kabili. We have into esibiza nge-physics, we have esibiza nge-chemistry, and together they form physical science. So namhlanje so besiphendule wena imibuzo sichaze umbuzo, sichaze indlela yokuansa, siphendule ukuze wena uzokwazi ukuthi mawusiyobhala lelo ozolibhala wena ngoMarch now but ngo2024 ube usuready. Alright, so question 1 lo. But ke before siziqale kona sizolibuka kancane leli phepha ngikufundele ukuthi ama instructions athini, how many marks, isikhathi singakanani, konke lonto le. So mawukuthi ke nawe usendaweni eright, hlala phansi nawe uthole ibhuku ozobhalela kulona, set isikhathi and be prepared. So lana ke nanti iphepha leli lase KZN March 2018 physical sciences ya grade 10. So leli phepha lu 50 marks. Amamaki nje awu 50. And then isikhathi sokubhala leli phepha is 1 hour. Okusho ukuthi isona sikhathi esikufanele ukuthi uqede wonke ama questions ala. Kwase kwathiwa this question paper consists of 6 pages and 1 data sheet, which means ama page akuleli paper awu 6 ne data sheet eyo. Yini data sheets? Asiyeni ngemuva soyibheka. Nansi data sheet. Le data sheet le iphethe o speed of light in a vacuum, Planck's constant, lezi number lezi ezingashintshi ka physics engamele futhi uyikreme ngoba uyanikezwe nje ububona. Kukhona ini nama formula phakathi la. Wonke ozowadinga for leli phepha maningi asuke abangawafaka la, but abawafakile ilawo ozowadinga kuleli phepha. So uma kuthi kukhona iformula oyikhohliwe, ile ndawo le la ubukela khona ke uzocheck ukuthi kombe iPlanck's constant ithini, kombe physics F-line wave equation ithini, or kombe speed of light singakanani. Yonke lento leyo iyona ekusizayo le data sheet, which means mawubala nje iseceleni. So enye into engakusizayo mhlawumbe because mawunqena ulevel upequlula uphenge, ungalikhipha iphepha lisegcineni ulibeke eceleni, usale nemibuzo yodwa ngala. So mawubala ubuka eceleni nje na i-data sheet la izokusiza kanjalo. So enye trick le. So lesisala na iqaleni kwayo iphepha ngithi napho ke la mesiphenga kuvela kuthiwa instructions and information. Okay, kuthiwa la write your name and class, for example 10A, in the appropriate spaces on the answer book, which means bazokunikeza i-answer booklet. I-answer booklet yini? Ila uzobufaka khona ama-answers akho. Okusho ukuthi kuleyo booklet phezulu uzobhala igama lakho nesibongo neclass olifundayo ukuthi uka 10A, uka 10B, uka 10C kanjalo kanjalo. Ukuze umuntu ozokumakela azi ukuthi ngimaka iphepha labani, umfundi ofunda ugrade bani kuliphi iclass. Yabo? Okay. Answer all the questions in the answer book. Okuqonda ukuthini lo? Yonke imibuzo la kubalekile ukuthi uyiphendule. Yes. Ngobani alikho imali ozolahla la. Remember, it's out of 50 and you have 1 hour. So phendula konke. Leave 1 line between 2 sub questions. For example, between question 2.1 and question 2.2. Baqonda ukuthini kube besho njalo. Okusho ukuthi mawusubala uzoshiya isikhala umuntu owodwa between ama questions. Okusho ukuthi uzoqala u2.1 mhlawumbe kuthiwa bathi define mhlawumbe i-frequency. Uyichaza i-frequency. Okay, frequency is the number of waves or pulses passing through a fixed point per second. Before uthi 2.2 usufuna ukuphendula umbuzo olandelayo, uzoshiya isikhala esisodwa kuyima uqala omunye umbuzo. Ile nto abayichazayo instruction le ukuthi kumele uyilandele for wonke ama questions akho. Wonke ama questions ozobuwenza kubalulekile ukuthi ama-instructions owalandela. Okay, and then we have, so you may use a non-programmable calculator. Yabo ilawa ke vele asetshenziswayo ezikoleni avumelekile vele. Okusho ukuthi uma uzothenga i-calculator e-programmable kuzomela ungayisebenzisi because inama cheat codes okuthola ama-answer. You are advised to use the attached data sheets. Bakutshela ukuthi le data sheet lela ngemuva kubalekile ukuthi uyisebenzise le ngoba inezinto ezidingayo for izibalo ngale imibuzo. Show all formulae and substitutions in all calculations. Okusho ukuthi wonke ama-formula ozawasebenzisa ungayibuki iformula ekhanda bese ufaka i-answer la cha. Yonke into ecabanga uyayibhala. Yonke into ecabanga uyayibhala. Yabo? And then kuthiwani nama-substitutions. Sometimes you could do njengaka maths kuyenzeka ukuthi ezinye amanye ama-steps wenze ngekhanda. Uyayibona lonto leyo. Khomisa uqhamuka nokunye or sometimes uqhamuka ne-answer. Don't do that. Ungakwenzi lokho. Yonke into uyayibhala as simplified as it can be. Ngobani wenzela phela lo zokumakela ukuthi lento yakho lumcabango onawo ngalento awu understand kalula awode lama makode ezevana. Round off your final answers to a minimum of 2 decimal places. Okusho ukuthi wonke ama-answer ozowathola in decimals, you will round off to 2 decimal places. Okusho ukuthi wena uma uzothola i-answer mhlambe ezoba u3,514 kanje, wena uzoyi-round off leyo answer uthi 3,51. Yabo? Wathola u9,799 kanje uzoyi-round off kuba u9,80. Yabo? Kanjalo kanjalo. Yikona round off abakushoyo la. So a minimum of 2 decimal places after i-comma. After i-comma le ekhona kwi-answer yakho uzobithola. So uma ungakwazi uku-round off, better pause the video manje uzame ukwenza uyokufunda kancane kancane mhlawumbe it'll take 5 minutes. Kuyinto nje elula vele. Write neatly and legibly. Okusho ukuthi bhala ngokuhlanzeka. Imibuzo yakho ama-answers akho kumele agcwele all over the place. Usuyabala eceleni kombuzo kanje uyanyuka omunye umuntu ongimakelayo kuzoba nzima ngithi usayibona into yakho or uzocikele ukuthi sometimes i-answer i-right but uzoyibhala la eceleni sibe sikhona isikhala, which is why wena it is your duty yokubhala ngendlela ngokuhlanzeka futhi. So iwona ke ama-instructions lawa onikezwe wona for uku-answer leli phepha. Remember you have 1 hour, number 1. Number 2, it is 50 marks, which means lo 50 marks lo kumele uphendule yonke imibuzo regardless ukuthi ama-answers akho will be correct or incorrect. Yonke imibuzo kumele iphenduliwe. Okay, so sesikona manje question 1. Yibona lo question 1 esizoqala ngawo ke la, which is ama-multiple choice questions, MCQ. Ama-multiple choice questions asebenza kanjani? So la bazokunika i-statement and then bakhithisa izinto eziwu4. Kulezi zinto eziwu4 abazokunika zona iyodwa ezobe ihambiselana nale statement abasishoyo phezulu, which means i-answer yakhona iyodwa. For example, uma bese bakubuza ukuthi uba upresident wase South Africa. A mhlambe bathi DJ Tira, B bathi uSjava, uC mhlambe bathi uCyril Ramaphosa, and then uD mhlambe bathi Chris Brown. Obviously the answer iyodwa uCyril Ramaphosa. Yayizonto leyo. So it's the same concept ke nakhona ke la. Bazokunikeza i-statement, bakunikeze ne-list of ama choices ongawakhetha, and iyodwa ezobe i-correct iyona lozokuyikhetha ke wena. So which are 4 possible options are provided. Njengobona anama options awu4. As answers to the following questions. Each question has only 1 correct answer. Umbuzo nombuzo iyodwa i-answer, because kuye kwenzeka abemabili ama-answer. Yabo? So la iyodwa. Choose the answer and write only the letter A or D, or A to D. next to the question number 1.1 to 1.4 in the answer book. For example, 1,5 C. So, which means when I must buy the answer, so 1,1 can be answer A, 1,1 can be answer B, 1,1 can be answer C, 1,1 can be answer D. Kanjalo kanjalo. Uphendula nje lokhu osuke kunjani kubuziwe. Which means ku 1,1 for the statement le yipi answer yakhona. Maku A should uzobhala 1,1 no A eceleni. Kanjalo kanjalo. Masuku 1,2 mhlawumbe no D. Masuku 1,3 no C. Kanjalo kanjalo. Awubhali ukuthi frequency, awubhali lokubhalwe la. Ubhala ini iletter eqondene nalonto osuke ebikhethile. Alright. Asofundeke ke question 1.1. Kuthiwa lana the time taken for one complete wave cycle to pass a point is known as A, the frequency, B, the amplitude, C, the wavelength, D is your period. So, I guess this is something we break it down again. Kuthiwa lana the time taken. Yes, the time taken, which means that sikhuluma ngesikhathi. Lesi sikhathi lesi esenza ukuthi one complete wave cycle. We have one complete wave cycle. Okusho ukuthi ikanje le nto le. Nayi i-wave cycle eyodwa. Yabo? To pass a point is known as, which means asibhale kanje ukuze uzobona okay, uma ngibhale kanje buka ukuthi sifake i-point anywhere, so sifaka la, and our 2 points now. Asiqaleni ke manje zama ukudefine ukuthi kahle kahle yini le. Buka, we have frequency. After frequency, we have amplitude, we have any wavelength, we have a period. Let's describe zonke lezi zinto lezi and choose the best one. So, frequency. So, comments igama lethi frequency ilihambisana nemode, le number evela kaningi. Kuyisukubala ukuthi ivela kangaka angithi kunezinye inamba bese uyayithola. The same concept ke nala. You have a fixed point. What is a fixed point? A fixed point is a point elilodwa in space whereby the low point alinyakazi, just as interest fixed. Which was more for 1,000 a bank, and with fixed interest in 10%. Every month when you will get 10% of 1,000. Yabo? If it's money, we simple interest here na it's fixed. I mean, but if we compound, it will always be 10% of what is in the bank account at that time. Yabo? So uhlukile la if fixed alinyakazi the point alibuyelize la libuyelele lila. Yabo? So the motion of the wave iyangala i-wave. Yabo? So as iyangala, which means iyahamba kanje angithi. So if frequency suke sibale ukuthi kudlula ama point, kudlula ama waves or ama pulses amangaki kuleli point ngesecond elilodwa. Uyayizwa into leyo. So frequency is the number of waves or the number of pulses passing through a fixed point per second. Okusho ukuthi mangaki lama pulse angithi iyodwa lento le impulse angithi impulse le esiyibiza nge-crest i-positive. We have la i-trough angithi. So lama pulse lawa mangaki azodlula kuleli point as i-wave yali nge-second elilodwa. Leyo nto yini leyo i-frequency. But i-statement ibesithini? The time taken, the number of waves, pulses passing a fixed point per second. So awusafani, yabo. The time taken for one complete wave cycle to pass a point. So which says ukuthi u-A awona. Yabo? Awona u-A. Ngoba akuyona i-frequency. I-frequency siyayazi phela ukuthi sibala ama waves or ama pulses ukuthi mangaki azodlula kulelo point lakho nge-second elilodwa. Okay, let's talk about the amplitude manje. The definition of amplitude kuthiwa yini? It is the maximum displacement of the particles of the medium above its rest position or sometimes below. Okusho ukuthi lo bude lobo bokusuka la phezulu uzuziyofika phansi. Lo bude bonke lobo nala akusayibona. Bonke lobo bude lobo yini le? It is your amplitude. Remember, uma i-wave idlula kwama-particles, those particles gain energy. When they gain energy, they start moving around. So lava, they will move up and down, up and down, up and down. As they're doing so, they are displaced or bayasuswa la kade bekhona. Bayiswe phezulu, bayiswe ngaphansi. Bayiswe phezulu, bayiswe ngaphansi. Or abanye baya phezulu, abanye baya ngaphansi. And the wave continues. There is a transfer of energy between particles. Alright, so, and then, the amplitude, it is the distance or the displacement of particles above its rest position. It is not the time taken for one complete wave cycle to pass a point. Because the amplitude, now some definitions are so the amplitude there is not the same thing as the time taken, because amplitude, it is the maximum displacement. So so again, we can clearly say this is not the answer. So B is also not the answer. Let's talk about wavelength. Wavelength, it is the distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive troughs, or the distance between any two adjacent points that are in phase in the wave. When it's in phase, I'm a point whereby as the hand be wave, they will reach the rest position at the same time. They will reach the rest position at the same time. So, a wavelength is wave. How do we spot a wavelength, or how do we get it? It is the distance between two consecutive crests. Mengithi consecutive, what do I mean? Point lawa amabili alandelanayo on the wave. Angithi okusho ukuthi nayo i-trough la, nayo i-trough, and the distance between bona, distance between ama-trough alandelanayo consecutive is your wavelength. Yabona okusho ukuthi that also the distance between two consecutive crests is also your wavelength. Yabona. So, what are we looking for? The time taken for one complete wave cycle to pass a point. But yin lena wavelength, it is the distance between any two points that are in phase in a wave. And those points have to be adjacent alandelan. And it's next to each other. So again, we can clearly say it is not a wavelength, because wavelength is a distance. What are we looking for? The time taken. Yeah. Let's look at the period. The period ilesikhathi lesi sokuthi ama crest amabili or i-wave cycle eyodwa. Why is it a wave cycle eyodwa? Ngobani i-wavelength, the length of one wave is the distance between two crests. So one wave cycle is kusuka from this crest to the other crest. Okusho ukuthi isikhathi sokuthi lama crest amabili adlule li-point elilodwa, leso sikhathi leso is your period. So the time taken for one complete wave cycle to pass a point is known as your period. Omunye umuntu bengayithola le answer without actually even describing zonke lezi zinto. Uyazi ukuthi i-period sesikhuluma ngesikhathi already. Abe right. But when you now have a thorough understanding of lezi zinto lezo four ukuthi ziyini, okusho ukuthi le correct. So we bhala kanjani i-answer yakho? This is 1.1. But say uzothi 1.1, and then masubhala 1.1 usuzofaka bani ke i-answer u-D yangithi. So usuzofaka u-D kanje, and then you are done. Ubona ukuthi ifaka kanjani i-answer? Awubhali period cha. awubhali lokho. So u-D iwona correct. So uthole kanjani u-D? I'm sure uyakhumbula we described lama definitions wo4 and then we selected or we chose leyo kuyiyona most suitable for any le definition elangaphezulu. Lawa u3 oqala siwabone kahle ukuthini awasivumeli ukuthi senze njani siyikhethe ngobani i-frequency kukhulunywa ngama number of pulses, so akhulunywa nge-time taken see out. I-amplitude sikhuluma nge-distance lapho above i-rest position akuyona. I-wavelength is a distance between two consecutive crests akuyona. But i-period it is the time taken, ithi qala nje siyafana. Uyayizwa the time taken for two consecutive crests to pass a point, or the time taken for one wave cycle to pass a point, and that point has to be fixed. Ukuthi la ku-statement maybe ingacacisanga, which is why sasakhetha u-D. Sayibhala ngale ndlela ku-instruction abasitshele ngayo. Ku-instruction bathe uzobhala i-question number ne-alphabet next to lo question number. Ungabusachaza into eziningi, don't give a reason for your answer. I-MCQ le multiple choice questions. There are multiple choices angithi for lo mbuzo. So wena okwenzayo uyakhetha okufanele lokho okubhalwe la ngaphezulu. For how many marks? 2 marks. So masubhale kanjalo you get yo 2 marks uphelele unjalo. Yabo bakutshelile la ukuthi ama questions I think are 4 for question 1 MCQ. So that is a total of 8 marks. Yabo sending ku question manje 1.2. If you still have any problem with answering lo mbuzo lo njengoba sesuphendulile, you know ukuthi you can always send a message usho ukuthi you still don't understand why sikhethe le period le mhlambe instead of i-frequency or instead of i-amplitude or instead of i-wavelength. Mhlasimbe i-answer yakho niyami ayifani, but ke with incazelo uzokwazi ukunderstand why we chose i-period. It's pretty obvious. I-period is cut. Angithi it is time. Bafunani la the time taken. Yabo so already isiya correspond lo nto leyo. Asambe sophendula question 1.2. Okay, so ngimbuzo la still MCQ multiple choice. Multiple choice questions uwenzani? Unikezwa statement or ama diagrams or whatever that is, or a graph konke bazokunika yona kuqala, and based on lo nto abanikeze yona bazokunikeza ama choices awu4 bese wena ukhetha le ehambisanayo naloko abakunikeze yona. Okay, asibuke nina kuthiwa la question 1.2, the diagram below represents a longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. Kuthi nje le diagram it represents a longitudinal wave. I-longitudinal wave, why becacisa ukuthi i-longitudinal wave? It is because ikhona enye inhlobo ye-wave angithi. Okay, asikhumbuzisana. Ahlukene kabili. We have a transverse wave, we have a longitudinal wave. So ihluke ngani ke le nale transverse. Okay, so ama definitions abo nje acishe afane kakhulu, unomehluko omncane. Okay, right. So asizama ukuyichaza. A transverse wave is a wave where all the particles that are affected by a wave, I mean, so where the particles move perpendicular to the propagation of the wave. Okusho ukuthi uma i-wave iqhamuka izongena ku-medium ethize, ama particles of that medium will start vibrating, they will start moving around because they are gaining energy, and when they move while the wave is moving itself, i-direction ye-wave ne-direction yama particles is perpendicular. Igama lithi perpendicular liqonda ukuthini? Liqonda ukuthi at 90 degrees, which means la beqhumana khona i-direction yani, if you have to draw a direction yama particles while they move and the direction your wave while it's moving, they will always be perpendicular. They will always meet at 90 degrees. They will be orthogonal. Amagama aqonde into eyodwa. But le basithingeze yona bathi i-longitudinal wave ihluke ngani? It is a wave where the particles of the medium move parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. So lokho kuqonda ukuthi le wave le abasinikeze yona ile wave le whereby ama particles of the medium uma vibrate, uma enyakaza, uma ahamba ngayo lo direction leyo on the same plane. If it's horizontal, it will be horizontal. If it's vertical, izoba vertical. They are parallel. Yini engesiyaziyo ngama longitudinal wave? Ama longitudinal wave anezinto esibiza ngama crest, ama reflection nama compression. Ama crest nama troughs comes from ama transverse waves, ama water waves. Ama transverse waves ilawa ahambisa okwenyoka kanje. Lawa, these are longitudinal waves, angithi. So yini lama compressions nama reflections engikhuluma ngawo? Lama compressions nama reflections are the regions, means ama regions indawo ezithize on the wave whereby the particles are at a certain distance apart. If the particles are closest together, are closest kakhulu ndawon, lo ndawo le, lo region le, we call it a compression because the particles are compressed in that space. Where the particles are furthest apart, lama particles ethe uqaqana khona, they are called ama rarefaction. Okay, so ama compression ahamselana nani in terms of ama crest nama troughs, ama rarefaction ahamselana nani, uyabona? So ama rarefaction ahamselana nama troughs, which means ama rarefaction, the regions whereby the particles are spaced ngendlela baqaqene kakhulu njenge gas thizeni. That region is called a rarefaction. It is bayifanisa nani ne trough. So rarefaction is represented as a trough uma is space between the particles iqaqene kakhulu. Uma the space between the particles is smallest, in there compression, it's compressed, angithi ihamselana nani leyo ne crest. So nayi ke lento le basinikeze yona, nayi le longitudinal wave. Why bethi wave? Remember there is a difference between a wave and a pulse, angithi. So ikhona longitude, transverse pulse ne pulse, but you only have a longitudinal wave. Why? A pulse is just a single disturbance in a medium, angithi. Lo single disturbance kufana nje ukuthi mawufika amanzi ethule endishini, wafaka umunwe wena noma wadedela some sort of object, la ezoqala khona athintana kuzoba khona ama ripples azohamba. Lo ma ripples are caused by wena, angithi. So those are pulses traveling on the medium, which is water. And as more pulses join njengestimela, they start to form a wave. So uma ama particles vibrator parallel, that wave is called a longitudinal wave. But uma ama particles vibrator perpendicular, and then that wave will be called a transverse wave. Okusho ukuthi le njengoba besitshela ukuthi it is a longitudinal wave, which means ama pulses amaningi ahlangene to form a wave, and those particles uma vibrator, they will be called they will be opposites in direction to motion yani yawo wave. Okusho ukuthi wave maya ka left, ama particles could be going to the left or right, we don't care, but never up or down. Ngoba it is parallel for a longitudinal wave. So asibhekeni ke the regions whereby the particles are apart and the particles whereby they are together. So uyabona la ikhala zithe uqaqana ngila, but la zathi ukuhlangana la, yabo, zathi uqaqana, zathi ukuhlangana, zathi uqaqana kanjalo kanjalo. So bathini ke lana ke, this diagram represents a longitudinal wave. We have u point, w, x, y, z, yabo. As you can see, u, the spaces between u and laba, baqaqene. So this is a rarefaction. It could be representing a trough. W, the spaces between labo line kusondelene kakhulu compared to laba abanye. Okusho ukuthi yini leyo i compression. So singasho ukuthi crest. Size ngala the spaces Space nakhona sigagxena ngithi but buka ipoint liphakathi nendawo. It's on the space, not on the particles. Yabo? Asize ngala. It's on the particle leke la. Yabo? It's on the particle. So lapho buka ke yile ama compression. Yes udele. Why ama spaces la between ama particles asondelene. Size ngala uZ lo. Ipoint lo uZ nalo this space igagxena ngithi. So yile trough. So we now know who to U, W, X, Y, Z to many. So which one of the following represents a trough? A trough ile ihamba ngaphansi. Ile ukuthi makuyiwave. Iwave yakho. Ile i-trough lela phezulu i-crest. Ungakhohlwa lokho. So yiphi ke representa ini i-trough? Bathi u-U, u-W, u-Z, no X. Yabo? So the correct answer here is u-Z. Why? Because the space between the particles is furthest apart. So wena usubhala mani uthi 1.2 ungakhohlwa kanje mase ubhala i-alphabet i-answer yakho. Ku-Z ubani alphabet akhona u-C. So usubhala C. And ngokubhala lokho usutholile bani u2 marks wakho. Yabo? Uphelele. This is u1.2. Omunye mhlambe bengabhala u-U no ola. It's not accepted as an answer, but it should be ngoba, as you can see, ukuthi nala the space between the particles, nala the space between the particles kugagxene. But the accepted answer is uZ, mainly because of the point la ikhona. So when you need to understand ama longitudinal waves they're dealing with the spaces between the particles. Yabo? Kanti on a transverse, what are we looking for? We're looking for the maximum displacement above and below to get our crest and our troughs. Yabo? Kanti ngala we're dealing with compressions, which are regions found on a longitudinal wave where the particles are closest together. And a rarefaction are regions found on a longitudinal wave where the particles are furthest apart. Sale manje sesophendula manje question 1.3. Alright, so lo question 1.3. 1.3 lo kuthiwa la which type of wave does not bazobhala nje ngamagama amakhulu capital letters does not travel at 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Basinikeza ke la ama options, basinikeza ama radio, ama gamma, sound, nama microwaves. 2 marks again, yabo? So wena ke cabanga u3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second wazelaphi? Uyazi ukuthi u-C is equal to 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Yini leyo? It is the speed of light in a vacuum. Yini leyo vacuum leyo? It is a region or an area or a space whereby there are no particles of any element whatsoever. Just as mawunyuka uya enkhathini phezulu. Mabehamba ngama rockets la suke bekhona, there is absolutely nothing. Yabo. But what travels in 3 times 10 to the power 8? The speed of light, but now you have radio waves, gamma rays, sound, microwaves. How many radio waves are the ones that have the largest wavelength? One of the largest wavelengths, which is why we radio, it can be broadcasted to indaweni. Yabo? Because the wave travels larger distances. Yabo? Our gamma rays have the highest frequency. Yabo? They have the highest penetrating ability. Yabo? We have sound. Umsindo. which is not light, yona. There's the speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second, and the speed of light and the speed of sound in water is 1,450 meters per second, which is not 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. 3 or no 8. So it's a big number. It happens so fast. Ukuze lento uzame ukuyicabanga ukuthi ifast kangakanani light. So ekuseni mawuvuka, at the time ubamba ama-curtain uwavula kanje, how many seconds does it take ukuthi ilanga lesishayinayo ngaphandle lingene ngewindi lishaye phansi lapho la usuvulele khona? It's almost instant. Usuvula selingenile ilanga. Yabo, it's that fast, which is why the number le inkulu. Yabo. So radio waves are part of the electromagnetic spectrum. EM waves, radiation. Yabo. They travel with the speed of light. Yabo. So anything else that does not utsheliwe, le engahambi ngaso leso speed leso iyona lefunakalayo. Yabona nje ama-microwaves ikhona nje i-microwave oven game leyo fudumeza that travels at a speed of 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Ila sebenzisa khona mesibala the energy emitted. La senza khona lama formula athi A is equal to HF, E is equal to HC over lambda. Iwona lama formula sosebenzisayo. And C is equal to F lambda. Yabo. Lo C fine nyanga leti V is equal to F lambda. Yabo. But the only problem is C is known now. V is known, which is 3 times 10 to the power 8. Which means land or le. You want 3 times 10 to the power 8. It travels meter out 3 times 10 to the power 8 nge-second elodwa. Which is why we number enkulu mawuvula nje kwama-curtain i-light isuke isingenile. So how do we choose i-answer ke la? Sikhetha kanjani? Alright, so ukuze siyikhethe siyithola kanjani i-answer? So what we know is electromagnetic radiation, they travel at a speed of 3 times 10 to the power 8. So the ones that does not, iyona siyikhetha. Radio waves, wrong. Why? Electromagnetic radiation. Gamma rays, wrong. Yaba? Sound, it could be right. Ngobani? We know the speed of sound in air is around 344 meters per second. Speed of sound in seawater is 1,450 meters per second. Problems, so which means the speed of sound is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Microwaves, electromagnetic radiation, also wrong. So therefore our final answer is 1.3, which is C. So how do we write that answer? Sibhala kanjani le answer esesiyitholile? So uzofika la wena, you write the number, angithi you write the number 1.3. So uzobhala 1.3 kanje. Yiphi ayikhethile? Isound. Iletha yesound ubani? uC. So icela 1.3 uzobhala uC, and then lapho you would have gotten any your 2 marks. Kulula nje kanjani, yabo? So read your notes, have discussions about electromagnetic radiations, have discussions with friends about what is the difference between frequency and period. Have discussions. There are discussions ingxoxo lezi ezibalekile sizokwenza ukuthi ukhumbule, because akukho lula ukhohlwa into okade ukhuluma ngayo. You were a part of the conversation. Which is why uthisha mayefundisa kubalekile umbuze nixoxe ukuze uzokwazi ukukhumbula i-lesson. Ungavela ulalele, because you are increasing the chances of forgetting, because all you did was listen and went home. Yabo? So kubalekile ukuxoxa, uxoxisana, and try to make yourself understand by uyiphinda at least le nto akade isho uthisha wakho usuyiphindela umngane wakho yabo. Zonke izinto ama-skills or ama-techniques azokusiza to help you remember and answer ama-MCQ a whole lot better. Asini kumbuzo olandelayo, question 1.4. Alright, so 1.4 umunye 2 marks ke lo ogcina ku question 1 multiple choice. Kuthiwa lana 2 sound waves. Ama sound waves are longitudinal waves. Ungakhohlwa lokho. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. They are pressure waves. A and B, iwona futhi lo ma waves amabili, are traveling through the air. So we have where the speed of sound is 340 meters per second in air. Wave A has a wavelength of 4.5 meters. Wave B has a wavelength of 1.5 meters. If the temperature of the air remains constant as the waves travel, then it can be concluded that the speed of A is 9 times the speed of B. The speed of B is 3 times, the speed of A is 3 times that of B. The speed of A is a third times that of B. Both waves travel at the same speed. Alright. Azama ukuyichaza ke yonke lento. Kunama sound waves amabili. Ama sound waves sustain ama longitudinal waves. So therefore, it is a wave where the particles of the medium move parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. So lama wave amabili u-A no B bawaqambile bathi u-A no B. Iwona lawa ahambayo emoyeni, which means they are displacing the particles of the air. Njengoba ungizwa nami ngikhuluma lapha, the particles of the air coming from the speaker. I-wave isuka from your speaker kwi-device yakho to your ear. Those particles akulowo moya are being displaced as the wave is traveling towards your ear. Wave A, which means local wave, has a wavelength of 4.5 meters, which means ubude be wave A order ka wave A 4.5 meters. Yabo. Yini wavelength? Sasichazile wavelength ukuthi it is the distance between 2 consecutive crests or consecutive troughs. Or omunye ngathi it is the distance between any 2 adjacent points that are in phase. We wave. Alright, so A has a wavelength of 4.5 meters. Wave B has a wavelength of 1.5 meters. Yeah, low una 4.5, low una 1.5. They have different wavelengths. If the temperature of the air remains constant, why bethi temperature ibe constant? Wakandizo wenzani mayingekho constant? It will affect the speed. Yakhumbula sasifunda ngokuthi temperature affects the speed of the wave. You increase the temperature, you increase the average kinetic energy found on the particles around that wave of that medium. So uma particles have gained kinetic energy, they will move more. Therefore, they will transfer the energy coming with the wave faster. And if they transfer the energy faster, which means the speed has also been increased. Yaba? So as fully unfairness, which is why they use the temperature as a control. But it's constant, the temperature, while the 2 waves are propagating in the medium. The medium, which is air, a gas. The particles are distorted or cool. Alright. Then it can be concluded that so yonke into abayishoyo bathi uma kunje sesingasho egcineni ukuthi ispeed sewave leyoqala u-A le eno 4.5 meters, it is 9 times that of B. Okusho ukuthi mawuthatha iwave ispeed sika B usimultiply ngo9 uzothola ispeed ka A. Yezo into le. Or mawuthatha ispeed ka B usimultiply ngo3 uzothola ispeed sa A. or mawuthatha ispeed sika B usimultiply ngo-1/3 uzothola ispeed sika A. Noma iy'peed zabo zobabili ziyafana. Siphendula kanjani-ke lento? Remember, temperature is constant, so si-right ngaleyo factor there. But ke the wavelength is not. The wavelength is just the distance between the two. Angithi ukhumbule ukuthi ispeed salama wave V is equal to F lambda. Angithi V is equal to F lambda. Ungakhohlwa. The speed isona affectekile angithi. Alright. So if i-wavelength ake sithi nje mhlambe i-wavelength siyayazi angithi u-4.5 meter. Alright, kuthiwa V is equal to F lambda. So remember the frequency sibala the number of wave or pulses passing a point per second. Uthi mangakuloma wave. So uma emaningi ama wave adlula ngesecond elilodwa kusho ukuthi the wave is traveling at a higher speed. Angithi? Okay. But they didn't tell us anything about the frequency. So what can we deduce la? What can we conclude? Ukuthi both waves will travel at the same speed lana. They will travel at the same speed. Ilula kakhulu lento. Ilula kakhulu. They will travel at the same speed, which is 340 meters per second. Bakutshela nje. Yabona ihinti iqale la. They are traveling through air. Njengoba bethi through air emoyeni. And this is a sound wave. Uyazi ukuthi sound travels at the same speed in air. The medium is the same. And the temperature is constant. Yabo, okusho ukuthi vele ukuthi sizofana. La nje bazama ukukudida because uyabo so 1.5 over 3 benza 4.5. Yabo, which is why bekunikeza ishandise kanje. But when I relax, umsebenzi wakho uyawazi angithi. Uyazi ukuthi only temperature can affect the speed angithi. And the medium also affects the speed. So, if the temperature is constant and the medium is constant, therefore they will travel at the same speed. Yabo, so we will write the answer yethu. Let's put the number ngithi. Ungakhohlwa lo. We first write the number of the question. 1,4. 1,4 and write a letter next to your answer. We chose both waves travel at the same speed. Okusho ukuthi sizobhala bani u-D khona la. Yabo? Sizofaka u-D and that is your 2 marks for le MCQ. Le multiple choice. So, when I enza sure ukuthi ama definitions akho and the relationships between ama quantities uyayazi because they help you answer ama multiple choice questions better. So in total, kulo question 1, we have answered 1.1 to 1.4 with 2 marks. So we have answered 8 marks so far. Kulo 50 marks now. Usawubanjela 8 marks. So what am I doing here? I'm explaining in detail how to answer yonke lembuzo le. And then when umusu practice ngamanye amaphepha, you make sure ukuthi you think ngayo lendlela esicabanga ngayo manje ukuthi njengoba befuna into ethize bethi i-calculate yini qala leyo nto. Because almost every time before bekubuza ukuthi calculator i-speed mhlawumbe esente ethize or i-frequency bazovele bakubuze kuqala yini i-frequency. So uma ungazi ukuthi yini kuzoba nzima nokuyi-calculate. So i-theory yakho ye-physics is very crucial because iyakusiza ama-calculations akho abe critical ngale ndlela. So both waves travel at the same speed. U-A, B no C does not go as the answer yalokhu kula. It's only u-D. Njengoba bekutshile bathi isuke iyodwa i-answer kwi-multiple choice. Kulaba sinikeza. So this is 8 marks esesuphendulile. Manje we are going on to question 2. Question 2 now sizohlaziya ngale ndlela efanayo and try to simplify sichaza amagama esingawa understand kumbuzo kwi statement kwama diagrams and then from there on sizoqala suphendula umbuzo.